Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you a very interesting snack recipe, that is tomato bonda. It's very unique, kind of very healthy. It's coated with besan outside, which makes it crispy outside, and inside it's juicy tomatoes stuffed with some potatoes, and it's delicious. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you're new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. So let's get started and make tomato bonda. For that, first we're going to prepare the stuffing of those tomatoes. For that, here I have taken 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, any kind of vegetable oil. Let it get nice and hot like this, and then add half a teaspoon of whole cumin seeds. Let it splutter. Then add half a teaspoon of black mustard seeds, and over low flame do this. Next, I'm going to add just a little bit of HING or ASAFOETIDA, and when it's nice and aromatic, I'm going to add some curry leaves. Here I have taken 10 to 12 curry leaves. I have teared them. Next goes in 1 large onion, finely chopped, and over medium flame I'm going to fry them for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, here I am adding 200 grams of peanuts and fry them with the onions as well. Next goes finely chopped ginger. Here I have used 1 inch ginger, which is very finely chopped. Next goes in finely chopped green chilies, 2 to 3. You can balance the heat according to your taste. You can increase or decrease the amount of green chilies. Next goes salt as per your taste. Mix it. This is very healthy recipe. Yes, I know it's deep fried, but still it's very healthy because all the veggies goes in, and tomatoes are rich in vitamins. Next goes 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. And as I told you before, if you are making this for kids or you don't like spiciness much, then lessen the amount of chili. Next goes in potatoes, boiled potatoes. Here I have taken 2 medium sized potatoes, boil them and mash them. Now mix them thoroughly with all the masalas perfectly. Then goes half a teaspoon of AMCHUR powder. If you don't have AMCHUR powder, use lemon juice. Next goes in handful of chopped coriander leaves, and that's it. The stuffing is ready. Let it cool down just a little bit. Till then, we are going to prepare our tomatoes. So here I have taken tomatoes, medium sized tomatoes, 6 of them. First, remove the head part like this. Now scoop out the flesh with the seeds like this. Just cut the flesh like this, the inner core of the tomatoes, using a knife. If you have a scooper, use that. I don't have one, so I'm using the knife and the spoon. And as you can see, the core part of the tomatoes are removed, including the seeds like this. It's very easy, just have to be a little bit careful. That's it. And here is the cavity where we are going to put the stuffing. So all 6 tomatoes are scooped out. Now we are going to stuff them. So using a spoon, back of the spoon, put the stuffing and press it as well. Press it with your fingers. Make sure whenever you are using your hand, make sure you wash it beforehand. and stuff the tomatoes generously like this. So it's totally stuffed like this. We are going to stuff the other tomatoes as well. So all the 6 tomatoes are stuffed, as you can see. Now we are going to make the batter. So for that, here I have taken 1 cup of besan or gram flour. To that I am going to add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Next 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds or AJWAIN, pinch of turmeric, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of sugar. To balance the tartness of the tomatoes as well. Now mix them, and I'm going to add water little by little. Don't add all the water together, then it will become runny. So first add little bit, then according to your need add the rest of the water. We need a very thick batter, and vigorously mix it, and I'm using my hand to make it more fluffy. So for 10 minutes I'm whipping this batter, and as you can see, this is quite a thick batter like this. So the batter is done. Here I have heated up some oil for frying. I'm going to take a spoonful of the hot oil and pour it into the batter. This will make the batter crispier. So now I'm going to coat each tomatoes with batter, and then fry it. I'm going to fry them in the batches of 2. You can totally deep fry them using a lot of oil, but I don't like to reuse oil because it's unhealthy. That's why I'm using little bit of oil, not much, for deep frying. Now pour the hot oil over the tomatoes as well, and flip it, and we are going to fry them for 6-7 minutes over medium flame till they are golden brown. So as you can see, they're quite nice in color, they're quite golden brown, and the tomatoes are quite cooked through, not all the way mushy, but it's soft and cooked through. So it's done. We are going to remove it on a tissue paper to remove the excess oil, and we are going to fry the next batch. So here our tomato bondas are ready to serve. Serve them hot with ketchup, and see, I have cut one to show you how does it look from inside. Doesn't it look so yummy? Do make this recipe, and don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Thank you.